What if I told you that eating just 5 prunes a day could completely change the way your body feels? Honestly, I didn't believe it either, until I tried it myself for just 2 weeks. What happened next shocked me. Better digestion, more energy, and changes I never expected. But here's the scary part. Most people have no idea what prunes are actually doing inside their bodies. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what happened to me day by day. No hype, no fake promises. And before this video ends, I'll reveal the one mistake people make when eating prunes that can ruin all the benefits. So stay with me until the end, because this simple habit might completely change your health routine forever. A few weeks ago, I started feeling tired almost every single day. My digestion was slow, my energy was low, and honestly, I just didn't feel healthy anymore. Then I came across a simple claim online that sounded almost ridiculous: eat 5 prunes every day. At first, I laughed because prunes felt like one of those old school foods nobody really talks about anymore. But the more I researched them, the more surprised I became by what they actually contain. They're packed with fiber, antioxidants, potassium, and nutrients that support your body in ways most people ignore. So I decided to try the experiment myself for 2 weeks straight. And honestly, I thought nothing would happen. But by the 3rd day, I started noticing something changing. My stomach felt lighter, my digestion improved, and I didn't feel bloated after meals anymore. That heavy sluggish feeling I used to carry around all day slowly disappeared. And the crazy part is that prunes worked naturally without making me feel uncomfortable. They contain fiber and natural compounds like sorbitol that help support healthy digestion. For the first time in a while, my body actually felt balanced again. And once my digestion improved, something unexpected happened. My mood started improving too. Around the end of the first week, my energy levels changed in a way I didn't expect. Normally, I rely on coffee just to survive the morning. But suddenly I was waking up feeling more refreshed before even drinking caffeine. Prunes contain natural sugars combined with fiber, which gives more stable energy without huge crashes later. They're also rich in potassium, which helps support muscles and hydration throughout the day. I noticed fewer afternoon crashes and less brain fog while working. And honestly, that surprised me more than anything else. Because I didn't change anything else in my routine. Then something else happened that I definitely wasn't expecting. My cravings for junk food started going down. I wasn't constantly thinking about snacks or sugary foods anymore. Since prunes are rich in fiber, they help you stay full longer after eating. And when you stay full longer, you naturally eat less without forcing yourself to diet. I'm not saying prunes magically melt fat away overnight. But they absolutely help me control unnecessary eating during the day. Even my stomach looked less puffy after a while. About 10 days into this experiment, I noticed my skin looked healthier too. At first, I thought maybe it was just better sleep or lighting. But even people around me started saying I looked more refreshed lately. Prunes are loaded with antioxidants that help fight stress and damage inside the body. And healthier digestion often affects your skin more than people realize. My skin didn't become perfect overnight or anything dramatic like that. But it definitely looked brighter and less tired than before. That's when I realized this tiny habit was affecting my entire body. Then I discovered one of the most shocking benefits of all. Some studies suggest prunes may actually help support stronger bones as we age. I honestly had no idea prunes were connected to bone health. They contain nutrients like vitamin K, magnesium, and boron that support bone maintenance. Some research even links regular prune consumption with improved bone density. Which is crazy because most people only focus on calcium or protein supplements. Meanwhile, prunes are sitting quietly in the background being completely underrated. Especially for adults trying to stay healthy long term. But there's also an important mistake people make with prunes. A lot of people suddenly eat huge amounts thinking more is better. That can actually upset your stomach because of the high fiber content. I kept things simple and consistent with just 5 prunes a day. And I made sure to drink enough water throughout the day too. Consistency mattered way more than eating large amounts. I also learned that some packaged prunes contain unnecessary added sugar. So checking the label before buying them really matters. After 2 full weeks, I finally understood why prunes have been trusted for generations. They're simple, natural, affordable, and honestly much more powerful than I expected. My digestion improved, my energy became steadier, and my cravings were easier to control. And the best part is that this wasn't some extreme diet or complicated health routine. It was literally just one small habit every single day. Now I'm not saying prunes will magically change everyone's life overnight. But for me, the difference felt real enough that I still eat them today. And honestly, I don't think I'm stopping anytime soon. So after eating 5 prunes every day, did it completely change my life like I said in the beginning? Honestly, yes, in a simple but very real way. Because sometimes the biggest health changes don't come from extreme diets or expensive supplements. They come from small daily habits that quietly improve your body over time. For me, prunes helped improve my digestion, stabilize my energy, reduce cravings, and simply feel healthier overall. And the best part is that this experiment was easy, affordable, and something almost anyone can try. If you enjoyed this video and want more simple health tips backed by real experiences, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. And now I want to ask you, would you try eating 5 prunes every day after watching this? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new